If you're looking for a way to streamline transactions without paper, Unicode might seem like the perfect solution. But before you dive in, let's break down how it works, what it's good at, and where it falls short, so you know exactly what to expect. And stick around, because at the end, I'll show you a better alternative that not only does what Unicode does, but also gives you an exclusive and extended free trial through our link. First up, Unicode simplifies digital transactions using QR codes. Whether you're a business owner looking to replace paper invoices, a restaurant wanting contactless payments, or an event organizer handling digital tickets, Unicode lets you generate dynamic QR codes linked to payment gateways, forms, or digital receipts. It's a quick setup, and the best part? No app downloads are required for your customers. Just scan and pay. Next thing, customization. Unicode lets you tweak QR codes with your brand colors, logos, and even tracking features. This means you're not just creating a basic QR code, but also keeping tabs on customer interactions. If you're running a business that relies on analytics, this is a solid feature. But here's the catch. Some of these customization options are locked behind higher tier plans, so the free or basic plans might not give you the flexibility you need. Another key point, security. Since you're dealing with transactions, data security matters. Unicode does offer encryption and compliance with privacy laws, but if you're handling large-scale payments, it lacks some of the advanced fraud detection features you'd find in more payment-focused software. So while it works well for general digital transactions, businesses dealing with high-value payments might need something more robust. One more thing, cost. Unicode has a free plan, but it's limited. If you need advanced analytics, API access, or high-volume transactions, you'll have to upgrade. And depending on your needs, the pricing can scale up quickly, which might not be ideal for small businesses or startups looking for budget-friendly options. Now, if you're serious about using QR codes for paperless transactions, but want something with better features, better security, and better pricing, I've added a link in the description to an alternative that not only does all this, but also comes with an exclusive extended free trial, only available through our link. Plus, I've listed a few other alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your exact needs. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.